Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Porsche Boxster hood when battery is dead, easy method. Start by folding down the windshield trim and locating the small access panel near the latch. Use a flashlight to find the emergency release cable and a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the panel open. Pull the cable steadily until the hood pops, then lift and support the hood while you inspect the latch before driving. Warm up your workspace and park on level ground before you begin so the car stays safe and steady. Remove the key from the ignition and engage the emergency brake for peace of mind. Carefully lift the plastic trim away from the windshield base to expose the small access panel, then use a screwdriver to open that panel. Once you see the cable loop, pull it with a steady motion until the hood unlatches and pops open gently. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips and quick fixes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about saving for repairs and maintenance, and it pairs nicely with owning a classic sports car. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if you want a clear money roadmap, and now let's get back to the video. Be cautious and take your time when accessing the manual release to avoid damage and injury. Keep a flashlight and a small flathead screwdriver in your glove box for quick roadside access. If the cable feels frozen, a quick spray of penetrating lubricant can free it without excessive force. After opening the hood, inspect the latch and cables for damage and plan a battery fix or tow to a shop if needed to restore normal electronic operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.